The current iPhone generations feature 120 Hz displays. This is especially noticeable when switching between apps, scrolling, or during fast movements. However, in Safari, we'll see it running at 60 Hz. That means we're not taking advantage of the 120 Hz that appear. This feature is partially disabled. Today, I'll show you how to activate the full 120 Hz in Safari on iPhone with iOS 26. So let's get started. In Safari, however, 60 Hz is prioritized. This is partly due to compatibility with web content and older JavaScript or CSS libraries. Apple plays it safe here to avoid rendering errors. The good news? You can manually enable the full 120 Hz. Look, if we go into Safari, you can search for refresh rate test to check your device's screen refresh rate. I'm going to use this one down here, device checker. You go in and it measures the refresh rate, and look, as you can see, it reaches up to 60. This device I'm using is an iPhone 16 Pro Max base model, but the base model already has ProMotion technology. It should show 120 Hz, but it doesn't because, by default, Safari limits it. So, to fix it first, let's just open up the Settings app on your iPhone. The first thing we will do is scroll down and make sure the limit frame rate is off. So tap on Accessibility. Tap on Motion. Scroll down and turn off Limit Frame Rate. So, let's go back to the very beginning of your settings. Scroll down, tap on Apps. You get to Safari on this list. From here, all you need to do is scroll down until you get to Advanced and tap on it. Scroll down again until you get to Feature Flags and tap on it. Is there a way to disable the 60 Hz refresh rate in Safari? To do this, we need to scroll down a bit, specifically to the letter P. As you can see, everything is sorted alphabetically, so we need to scroll down to the letter P because we need to find a specific section, and it's a little further down right here. Prefer page rendering updates near 60 FPS. And this feature is enabled by default. That means 60 FPS is prioritized here. And we can easily deactivate this function here. Afterwards, it is important to go into multitasking and then completely close Safari. So, here's the thing. Remove it from multitasking, and afterwards we can reopen Safari. And now, everything should be smoother. The rumble itself is already at 120 Hz, but animations and transitions are now faster. This means you now have the full 120 Hz enabled in Safari, regardless of whether it's scrolling, transitions, animations, etc. That means you now have the full potential of Safari at 120 Hz. Of course, you can easily revert this feature. You can reactivate it if you notice that some content on websites you visit isn't displayed correctly. And that's how you set up 120 FPS. Let me know in the comments below if this works for you or if you just prefer the regular Safari look. That's it. And of course, I hope you enjoyed this short little video. If so, please leave a thumbs up. If you know any other tips and tricks, please let me know in the comments below, and please consider like and subscribe button to our channel for more tips and tricks. And then, we'll see you again in the next video. Until then, take care.